In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a single page in OneNote. Sharing a specific page from OneNote is an efficient way to send precise information to colleagues, classmates, or clients without having to share your entire notebook. This method ensures that only the content you want to share is delivered, saving time and keeping your notes organized. To get started, open your Microsoft OneNote application and navigate to the notebook containing the page you wish to email. Make sure the notebook fully loads and that you are on the exact page you want to send, as OneNote will only email the currently active page. Next, look at the top of your screen where all the menus and tools are located. Click on the Home tab, which contains the main options you'll need for working with your notes, including formatting tools, tags, and sharing features. The Home tab is where you'll find the email feature that allows you to send a page directly. Once you're in the Home tab, locate the Email Page option and click on it. Depending on your system setup and email provider, a Microsoft Outlook window will open automatically. Your selected OneNote page will already be attached in a new email, properly formatted and ready to send. This integration streamlines the process, so you don't have to manually export your notes or attach files separately. With the email window open, enter a clear and descriptive subject line that explains the content of the page. Then, add the recipient's email addresses in the appropriate field. You can also include an additional message or content in the body of the email if needed, providing more information about the content you're sharing. Once everything is set, click Send. Your OneNote page is now delivered directly to the recipients, making it easy for them to view your notes without accessing the entire notebook. This feature is especially helpful for sharing meeting notes, project updates, or specific research quickly and efficiently. By following these steps, you can streamline communication and ensure that the information you share is precise and accessible, while keeping the rest of your notebook private and organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.